Welcome, fellow travelers, to an extraordinary adventure through the heart of Bengal. Today, we embark on a virtual journey to discover the diverse wonders of Bangladesh. From the charismatic capital of Dhaka to the serene tea gardens of Srimangal, join us as we explore the rich cultural tapestry and breathtaking landscapes of this hidden gem. Dhaka. Our journey begins in the lively city of Dhaka, where history and modernity intertwine. Explore the ancient Lalbagh Fort, wander through the vibrant markets of Old Dhaka, and feel the pulse of the city at Ahsan Manzil, a symbol of its rich heritage. Venturing southwest, we find ourselves in the mystical Sundarbans, the largest mangrove forest in the world. Cruise along its meandering waterways, witness the unique flora and fauna, and immerse yourself in the natural beauty of this UNESCO World Heritage Site. Our journey takes us northeast to Srimangal, the tea capital of Bangladesh. Delight in the serenity of lush tea gardens, learn about the tea-making process, and savor the aromatic brews that define this picturesque region. Embark on a historical exploration as we visit Bagarhat, home to 15th century mosques, and Mahastangar, an ancient archaeological site unveiling the mysteries of Bangladesh's rich past. Our journey concludes in Cox's Bazar, boasting one of the world's longest sandy beaches. Relax on pristine shores, indulge in water sports, and witness breathtaking sunsets over the Bay of Bengal. Immerse yourself in the coastal charm and savor the delicious seafood that defines this enchanting destination. Bangladesh, with its diverse landscapes and cultural treasures, offers a tapestry of experiences for the intrepid traveler. From the bustling streets of Dhaka to the tranquil tea gardens of Srimangal and the pristine beaches of Cox's Bazar, each destination reveals a different facet of this enchanting country. Embark on a journey to discover the heart of Bengal, where warmth, history, and natural beauty converge to create an unforgettable travel experience. Thank you for exploring Bangladesh with us.